Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
What?
Naiyak ako. Ako din, pares tayo. Buti na lang nag-shades ako. Huwag ka na maiyak eh.
If you are new to this channel or you just happen to stumble across this video, welcome to Beanie Rajab Adventures! And if you don't know, we are currently here at one of the busiest areas in Baguio, which is the famous Session Road!
Naku, usually talaga, busy talaga to dito sa Session Road kasi ang dami dito ang mga shopping center. Tsaka kainan, yes. Ang daming kainan, ang daming bangko, ang daming kung ano-ano. And, you know, every Sunday naman, sinasarado tong Session Road kasi dito talaga nakasentro yung busking. And